Hello everyone, a very good morning to all. I welcome you all at Wisdom Waves, an official channel of PM Shri KV Nanded. PM Shri KV SCR Nanded is celebrating Bharatiya Bhasha Utsav 2025 with the theme Many Languages, One Emotion. Bhasha अनेक, भाव एक.
My language is Assamese. Hello, Namaskar. What is your name? Apar naam ki? My name is Arpita. More naam Arpita. How are you? Apni kene ase? I am fine. Moi bhale asu.
Hello everyone, my language is Bengali. Hello, Namaskar. What is your name? Apnar naam ki? My name is Tanuja. Amar naam Tanuja. How are you? Apni kemon ache? I am fine. Ami bhalo achi.
My language is Dogri. Hello, Namaste. What is your name? तंदू की नाम है. मेरा नाम My name is सृष्टि. मेरा नाम सृष्टि है. How are you? तंदू की हाल है. I am fine. औन ठीक आन.
My language is Gujarati. Hello, Namaskar. What is your name? તમારું નામ શું છે? My name is Arpita. મારું નામ અર્પિતા છે. How are you? તમે કેમ છો? I am fine. હું મજામાં છું.
My language is Hindi. Hello, Namaskar. What is your name? आपका नाम क्या है? My name is खुशी. मेरा नाम खुशी है. How are you? आप कैसे हैं? I am fine. मैं ठीक हूँ.
My language is Telugu. Hello, Namaskaram. What is your name? మీ పేరు ఏమిటి? My name is Pravina. నా పేరు ప్రవీణ. How are you? మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? I am fine. నేను బాగున్నాను. My language is Urdu. Hello, Adab. What is your name? आपका नाम क्या है? My name is Aradhya. मेरा नाम आराध्या है. How are you? आप कैसे हैं? I am fine. मैं खैरियत से हूँ.
My language is Punjabi. Hello, सत श्री अकाल. What is your name? ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਨਾਮ ਕੀ ਆ? My name is Riddhi. ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਰਿद्धੀ ਹੈ. How are you? ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ? I am fine. मैं ਵਧੀਆ है.
My language is Marathi. Hello, नमस्कार. What is your name? तुमचे नाव काय आहे? My name is वैभवी. माझे नाव वैभवी आहे. How are you? तुम्ही कसे आहात? I am fine. मी छान आहे.
My language is Odia. Hello, नमस्कार. What is your name? आपन का नाम कण? My name is Shweta. मोर नाम श्वेता. How are you? आपण केमित अछंती. I am fine. मु भाल अच्छी.
My language is Maithili. Hello, नमस्ते. What is your name? अहंके नाम के असी? My name is Shriya. हमर नाम श्रिया असी. How are you? हम अहंके की हाल की असी? I am fine. हम निक छे.
My language is Sindhi. Hello, Aryan. What is your name? तुवांजलो नालो छा आहे? My name is Yubhashna. मोहिंजो नालो युभाषणा आहे. How are you? तुवान केन आहियो? I am fine. मा ठीक आहियान.
My language is Sanskrit. Hello, Namo Namaha. What is your name? भवत्याः नाम किम? My name is Shraddha. मम नाम श्रद्धा अस्ति. How are you? भवती कथम अस्ति? I am fine. अहम कुशलिनी अस्मि.
My language is Nepali. Hello, Namaskar. What is your name? Leader, Pere, Anand. My name is Akshada. Ande, Pere, Akshada, Anand. How are you? Sugamano. I am fine. Ene Sugamano.
My language is Nepali. Hello, नमस्कार. What is your name? तपेको नाम के हो? My name is Anushka. मेरो नाम अनुष्का हो. How are you? तपाई कस्तो हुनुहुन्छ? I am fine. च सच्चै छु.
My language is Kashmiri. Hello, Assalamu alaikum. What's your name? ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਨਾਮ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ? My name is Sanidhya. ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ Sanidhya. How are you? ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੀ ਆਨੇ ਝਪਟ? I am fine. समय नवारिया.
My language is Bodo. Hello, Kodo. What is your name? Mamam Kodamam Dam. My name is Sarika. Aham Kodamam Sarika. What?
My language is Kokani. Hello, Namaskar. What is your name? तुझे नाव किदे? My name is Akshata. माझे नाव अक्षता. How are you? तू कसे आसा? I am fine. हांव बरे आसा.
My language is Santhalini. Hello, Johar. What is your name? Alingah Cheta Nitum. My name is Bhakti. Alingah Nitum Do Bhakti. How are you? Cheta Lekak Menak Bila. I am fine. Napaya G Menak Lin. My language is Manipuri. Hello, Kurumjari. What is your name? Adnongi Ming Karikaoi. My name is Pariniti. Adnongi Ming Pariniti Kaoi. How are you? Adom Nungari Bara. I am fine. I Nungari.